this video, we'll cover the different edits and changes you can make to your existing shifts in your shift care scheduler. No matter how dynamic your agency's scheduling is on a day-to-day basis, you will no doubt need to make various edits or changes to the shifts you've already put into your shift care schedule. Things like reassigning a shift to a new staff member, changing details like the time, the instructions or tasks on a shift, all the way to copying shift details to use for a new shift, canceling or deleting shifts. All these changes can be made in your shift care system, even for recurring shifts. To start, you can click on any standalone shift, click the Edit button, and change any details on the shift itself. In our case, let's change the timing and reassign the shift to a new staff member. We've now just moved this shift from John up to Baron for the same date, but we've changed the timing to reduce the shift time a little bit. Copying a shift is a very valuable tool to increase your scheduling efficiency. You can click on any shift in your shift care system, click More Actions, and click Copy to take all the information on this shift and change it to your need. In this case, let's copy this shift's information and use it to create a Tuesday shift for our staff member, John. Let's change the timing as well to go back to our 9 to 5. And let's reassign it to John. We could change instructions, and we could even go into the advanced edit to add a new task in here. Once we click Save, we'll see that we've used all the information from this original shift, copied it, changed what we needed to, and created an entirely new shift from that information. When editing recurring shifts, you'll have the choice after you've made your changes to apply it to a number of shifts in the series of your choosing. For example, you can change a staff for a single shift. You can add tasks to all shifts, or you can change the address for just a few shifts. Here's a demonstration. Let's reassign this shift here to Baron. I'll click on the shift, click Edit, scroll down, and reassign it to Baron. When I click Save here, I'll have the choice to apply this change to only this shift, to future shifts up to a specific date, or to a date range for just a specific number of days. Let's make this change just to this shift. Now you can see we've reassigned this shift from John up to Baron. Something to note for editing recurring shifts. At this time, we cannot change any of the shift repeating settings. However, if you need to make a change to the days involved in the repeating shift schedule, click More Actions and copy the shift. Choose the recurring shifts, so the entire repeating sequence that you previously created, and then make changes to this sequence here. Save and delete the old repeating pattern. Lastly, you can also cancel a shift where you have the choice to cancel it from the option and still charge on the invoice, or cancel without charge. Here you have the choice to notify the staff member that the staff's been canceled. This will give you a visual indication that the shift has been canceled, but we'll keep it for historical recording here in your schedule. Deleting shifts works the same as editing details on the shift when it comes to choosing which shifts to delete in a series. You can click on a shift, more actions, and delete, and you will still have the choice to delete a number of shifts or just the shift that we're clicking on. For a standalone shift, you won't have this choice. You'll just be deleting the standalone shift that you clicked. These are all the basic edits that you can make to a shift to make your scheduling more efficient in ShiftCare.